Today we are going to talk about the distributive property. We have already discussed how we can distribute the number outside of the parentheses to the terms inside of the parentheses to expand out and then simplify our expression. Now we're going to go the other way. We are going to look at an expression, see what we can pull out, and move from expanded form to factored form. So let's try. We'll start with a couple of area model examples. I look here at my inside and I say, okay, what do those two have in common? What factors do they both have? I could make a list if I wanted. Well, they both have the term 6. 6 times 1 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. So if I were to pull out that 6 could be multiplied to x and to 5 to get us this 6x plus 30. Let's give it a try. So if I have this in parentheses, I'll have 6x plus 5. So that, let's see if that's what simplifies down to. 6 times x plus 6 times 5. 6x plus 6 times 5 is 30. Let's try this one. Again, we look at our numbers inside and try to determine what factors they have in common. In this case, they also have 6 in common. That's not always going to happen. It's not always going to be 6, but today it is. So if I pull 6 out and multiply 6 times 3x plus 7. Let's see if I expand that out, will it all match? 6 times 3x plus 6 times 7. Well, if I combine that, we've got 18x plus 6 times 7, which is 42. Yep. Let's try here. Again, we are now removing those area models. You're welcome to draw them if you need, but we are looking at your expanded form and thinking, what can we pull out from each term? Well, I know that 4 goes into both of these. So if I pull out a 4, what will be left? Well, 4x divided by 4 is just x, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So my factored form would be 4x plus 4. One more problem here. We take a look and see what we can pull out. Well, I think about the factors of both 21 and 9. Again, I could write them out if I would like. And I know that I can pull 3 out of each of those. So 21x divided by 3 would give me 7x. And then 9 divided by 3 would be 3. Now I can check my work, right? Well, what's 3 times 7x? 21x. And then 3 times 3. That gets me 9. Therefore, I've done it well.